Hey guys, I'm here, it's Livin, and today I have the Ozark Trails Outdoor Equipment Pocket, multi-tool. It's full metal, has the pliers, it has a knife, a saw, bottle openers, a knife, oh wait, I already said a knife, a file, and a lot of cool other stuff. It is a spring spring pliers, so it will go back by itself. And it comes with this, a nice sheath, and it says Ozark Trails. It buttons up. I love this knife. It is great for going out into the woods and doing whatever. And, yep, here's the other side. Alright, till next time, so long.